Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to use Claude Opus 4.8 for free. Okay, as you can see at the first look, the Claude Opus 4.8 is not free. Okay, how to use it? Okay, let's close this Claude. It's not free. Okay, there is two websites allows you to use this Claude Opus. The first one is this one, miniapps.ai/Claude Opus 0.8 for free. You can get all those models for us. This one. I want to use this Claude Opus. Okay, let's type a message that I want to use this. Prompt create a modern Netflix inspired streaming website using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Next.js, and Tailwind CSS, and let's see how it works. Okay, conversion not found. Why? Thinking. Okay. As you can see, it started thinking. This is project structure. Configuration files. This first model is for the simple conversation. For this model, Claude Opus 4.8 thinking is allows you to create websites, apps, and other things. As you can see, it works fast. Okay, this is the first website. As you can see, it uses this structure that I gave previously. Okay, there is a lot of page to use this clone Netflix. Okay, let's move to the next one. I think it's finished. Okay, this is my website is finished. You can copy and paste and add our API key. And this I think it works correctly. Okay, let's move to the next one. Next one is opus.chat gpt-chatly.com. Okay, in this website you can use Claude Opus 4.8 with Canvas and tools to create websites, Canvas and other things, or you can use it for chat only. As you can see, it's the same thing in the previous video. Okay, let's use this one and add the same prompt here and hit send. Okay, in this website we have maximum credit. I used all those credits. Okay, let's go here. How to bypass this? Let's go here to cookies and let's see reload. Let's send it. Okay. And this website we have a maximum credit to use it. I used all those credits for this model. Okay, this is all for this tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching. See you later on the next video.